Good afternoon. This is Debbie with Debbie's Journal Dreams. I wanted to share this handmade hardcover um, junk journal with you today. It measures 6 1/4 by 9 1/4. It was made from an old book. It has a removable tassel with these acrylic tags. These are all double-sided acrylic tags. I'm going to leave that setting over there. So we'll open up the journal. This journal was made using the Dear Julie digitals, and it has all sorts of spaces for tags, and it has envelopes that can tuck in here. This is a junk journal, and it has 1, 2, 3 signatures, but it has pockets with big tags, big large tags in them. Has some of these tags were made with envelopes. Has lots of flowers, and there are a few places for photos if you'd like to put photos in here. Different tags. This could be a place for journaling. It's a little cash receipt booklet. This album has lots of little bling on it. This is a little envelope that has a place for a photo spot, but it also can be a pocket. It has some different inserts. Like I said, this is a true junk journal, so it's held in by elastic. Here's another envelope. This envelope, you can store things in it if you'd like. It's empty right now. The other side of the doily, and I think that's wax paper. Here's the other side of the envelope that was turned into a pocket. Here's another tag. It actually has some little sales receipts inside. This is a fun little journal, though. I like just the black and white, and like I said, you can put photos in here. And this is some more places for journaling. A little notepad under there. This one has a tuck up here, and these are just some different little embellishment tags in there. This is a place for a bigger photo if you'd like to put a bigger photo, and this tag is just held on with a paper clip. So it's just, you could slide it on there, or you can move it to a different spot. There's another place for a photo, and then over here there's a little spot here. It's a little envelope, but it's a spot there. There's a tag in here. There's a place here you can hide some things. This was actually stuck up in here. This was a little bag that it's made out of. Another doily. And this is another large tag with some journaling room on the back. And then it has a trifold. And when you open it up, you have some spaces for journaling in here. This is a very large tag that you can use as a dashboard. And then you flip it over this way, and you have all these little tags that you can put in here. And I like the feathers. And then I held this closed. I set this one on here and just held it closed with a paper clip, but it can be put into any part of the journal. It doesn't have to stay there. Okay, on the inside here, I've just tucked some tags into the doilies to show you that you can use that as a tuck spot. Another little envelope. in a tuck spot, and there's room in here to put some more journaling paper. Another place for a photo, and in this signature you have place for journaling here. It's just a journal spot. This was just a pocket. And then back here you have some tuck spots with another large tag. Lady, I love all these vintage ladies. Another place for a photo and just some spots for journaling. Another doily. There's some music paper. Places for photos. The other side of the doily. Another place for a photo, and then this is another tuck spot. And this was a cool idea with a bingo card. And this is actually, it can be a little tuck spot. I'm just going to use that. That is a tuck spot right there. And back here, there's a pocket with another very large tag. Some journaling spots on the back. And this was a old packaging, but it's perfect for either as use as a dashboard or lots of journaling spaces, with another photo of a lady back there. So this album, this junk journal, will be in my Etsy shop. The back is blank. If you're interested, you can find me on Etsy at Debbie's Journal Dreams. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.